Hey guys, I want to start today by insisting that you all please look at my shirt. Look at my shirt, look at my shirt. My shirt. I usually only wear black, so it feels a little bit weird to be wearing white, but I would do it, I will do it, I am doing it for the cause, for Michigan Gandalf and Dave. All right, so everything is a mess, including me, and under normal circumstances, I would not have people in my home or film or anything when it is in such a state of disarray, but I am making a glaring exception to that rule because I have a super good reason for the chaos. I'm prototyping merch, and it's crazy, and there's stuff everywhere, and I'm gonna show you around in a second, but like, we've got bags, we've got Dave bags, we've got more Dave bags. I took one of the Dave bags to the farmer's market today. We've got a heat press. Oh, it's still hot. A heat press. Anyway, we've got letters, we've got vinyl. There's stuff everywhere. It's fabulous. If you've been around here for a while, you know that I've been having merch in the works since I guess March now. Hi, cutie. Come here. Come here. Say hi, Gandalf. Hi. She has her onesie off. So originally, I was gonna have a third-party company handle my merch. So I would design everything, and then they would handle the production and the shipping and all that jazz. But over the past few months, and especially even just over the past month, I've really had a change of heart and decided that I wanted to be more hands-on in this process. And as we all know, I'm extremely sentimental, and I love the TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube community that's been building since September. And I feel like you guys are like my friends and like my family. And so I wanted to be more involved in the process, and that's what I'm doing. And it's great. And it's nice because then I also I can take care of quality control, and I can test different things out and make sure that what I'm selling is actually something that I'm really proud of and that I really like. And I'm so excited. So I'm just going a little bit crazy right now. Point being, I've decided that I want to handle stuff myself. And I'm still getting stuff made professionally and all that jazz, but it's all gonna be coming out of here. And as such, it looks like a bomb went off in here. A bomb of crafts and heat transfer vinyl and tote bags and spray paint and all manner of stuff. Hence this shirt, which I'm super excited about. So yeah, I have a big shipment coming in next Thursday, and if all goes well, I should be launching the store next Friday. Fingers crossed, we'll see. I will say, Jackson knew that I was a crafty person, but I think he's just now realizing the extent of my craftiness. And he's been a fantastic sport about it, and about sacrificing the entire living space to me and my shenanigans. But I'm having a blast. It's fun. We're having fun. And I just got all the final proofs from the artists that I have been working with and from whom I commissioned drawings of Gandalf and Dave. So that's all coming down the pike. I'm so excited. Having so much fun. Making lots of messes. I've learned so much in the past 72 hours about how stuff works. I keep getting distracted and just cutting stuff out of cardstock and being like, here Jackson, I made you a design. It's a reindeer, I don't know why. But yeah, so that's all going super well. And let me tell you, the cats, especially Gandalf, have been loving the chaos in the boxes and the new machinery and all these things that they can look at and generally mess with. So it's been fun. All right, so let's talk about actual stuff that's going on. So Miss Gandalf was spayed the Friday before last, and she had to keep her little onesie on for 10 days so she wouldn't mess with her stitches. She got spayed, and she also got her microchip put in. And we were just finally able to take off her onesie, which was sad because she's so cute in her onesie, but was good because she's comfier now, so that's great. And she's just back on her bullshit, for lack of a better term, sorry. being crazy as per usual. I think I told you guys last week that I was endeavoring to teach the cats to communicate via buttons. Hold on one sec. So far we have a grand total of 1. It says treat on it. Treat. I've done 2 sessions with them. Treat. Good job. Good job. Yeah. I need to be consistent with that and like doing it every day. And that's my goal for this week. So with a little luck, we'll have some progress there. Dave has been, first of all the cats have been like extra vocal this week. I feel like they're just getting more and more vocal with us as they become more comfortable, which is great. I'm like, hey, love it. Love a good vocal cat. A chatty cat, one might say. And they are just so talkative. It's so cute. And I think I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but Gandalf especially, she's not the most inherently snuggly of the 3, but she is very keen on letting you know when she wants attention. And she'll literally just get up as high as she can and will just yell at us until we pick her up and cuddle her or just give her attention and love, etc. It's darling. And she was very much like a little baby with the onesie on and has actually retained a lot of that cuddliness, which we're very excited about. Pretty much for all of them, if you nab them at the right point when they're like sleepy but not too sleepy, if you plunk them in your lap, they'll just stay there. It's very cute. Gandalf was a little bit less mischievous than usual, just given the onesie and the surgery and all that jazz. And Dave has very much picked up the slack. Today, he was actually on Jackson's desk on a legal pad, chewing up Jackson's math notes, which was not ideal, but was generally hilarious. That was funny. And Miss Natia, she's doing great. She's been extremely playful this week. I feel like every week she just gets like a little bit more feisty, a little bit more playful. I love it. And she's also put on some good weight, which we're really excited about, especially because she was so slender when we found her. So good, happy, healthy kitty weight. We're delighted. Oh, you may have seen this on TikTok, but we did get a cat backpack. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while and I finally did, and I wanted one like this. This isn't sponsored, I just bought it quasi-arbitrarily based on the reviews. I like the ones that are mesh so that they have good air circulation, but also that has a little hook, if you can find it, for the cat's harness. So you put the cat in their harness and you hook this little guy on it. The one issue with this is it does hook onto their harness, which is great, but Gandalf, as I will show you here, was still able to fling herself out of the bag, and so she was dangling by her harness. So I might be trying a few other models. I think like if the harness hooked like right up there, I think that might work better, but we'll find out. Who knows? Also, we've been getting our office, our guest room / office set up better, and I have this really cool thing I want to show you. Nobody likes litter being tracked, and you know, when you have multiple cats, you want to have multiple litter boxes, and the mats that like grip the tracked litter are only so effective. And so finally I bought this, it's a piece of furniture that the litter box goes inside of, and there's a hole on one side that they can get in, and then it's concealed, and you can push the litter box nice and far back and then put a mat to hopefully mitigate the tracking. Yeah, so Jax just put that together the other day, and they're getting used to it, but so far so good. I'm excited about that. So yeah, here's the avocado segment. I'm never gonna forget this again. Got Dave with the avocado, Gandalf with the avocado, Natia with the avocado. So our week has been a whirlwind. It's been very crafty, it's been very active. Some really cool stuff going on with the sanctuary that I'm working with, the animal sanctuary. We rescued 3 elderly goats, and if everything goes well, we'll be picking up a donkey next week. I'll keep you posted on that. So yeah, as always, you can follow me here, you can follow me on TikTok, you can follow me on Instagram. We're all over the place. Thank you all for joining me today, and I hope you have a marvelous week.